Seneta wa kaunti ya KITUI ENOCH KIIO WAMBUA EASYA kana KITUMI KINENE cha KWITHIWA Mwingi ITAATW'IKITHW'A KAUNTI NUNDU MUNENE wa MIAO wa TENE AMOS WAKO NDAATUMBITHYA ISYITWA ya Mwingi ITHANGUNI ya SILIKALI KAVINDA kala WATUMBITHASYAA THARAKA NITHI na MAKUENI ayumia mawoni make mbewa nzama ya vamwe ya SILIKALI na ulei bipartisan talks KIIO ni wasya kana vevata Mwingi ITAATW'IKITHW'A kaunti nikenda enendi matetheke na maendeleo undu uvailite Lina Musangi niwe kuvingwa vilingwa mauvo na ilivote.
Seneta wa kaunti ya KITUI ENOCH KIIO WAMBUA ni nambe wa kamitika kaunenania na utulia mutula wa mutai wa serikali maondo makonete MIAO wenda Attorney General wa TENE AMOS WAKO kwa kila kueteta wa ulelu wake kulea kutangasa mwingeta kaunti KAVINDA ni kalama kuweni na kaunti ya THARAKA nithisekiwe thanguni ya serikali wenda the Kenya Gazette taimwe kati wa ila siavaniwa kutwikithwa kaunti
that if you create Mwingi County then other people will say me too, you know, and will give their reasons. But you know, I am convinced, and my party leader has gone me out, that the reason why we don't have Mwingi County today is not because another person was given a county. It is because somebody slept on their job. The Attorney General did not gazette Mwingi County alongside THARAKA and MAKUENI. And on that account, now the people of Mwingi will continue to suffer injustice because of the mistake of one person. That's the way I look at it.
KIIO ni wongela KANENE nzima kaunti KITUI maende na uthinika kimaende kumana na kaunti ikwithiwa yene na monovala kueta enenzi tamethitwa maithinika kumana na ikosa ya mundu umwe ya kulia ku gazeti Mwingi ta kaunti.
Work properly from there. No. That should have been the beginning of it. That we should evolve further to wards, to constituencies, and by extension, then this one county, this just one county in this country, Mwingi, that was denied a right by the mistake of one person. I will leave it to you to decide whether you want just to say they lost, then let them live with it, or you may want to correct that injustice on account of the fact that we all agree, and the AJ Emeritus was here, as you told me, he has confirmed that it is him that did not gazette Mwingi. I rest my case.
Best interest of this country. Your man I've seen was received a lot of beating for being a stickler for the rule of law.
Amos WAKO na ule vikita kikalone kini wa ilese kana.
I support. And in fact, way back in April 1992, I published a constitutional amendment to have that office plus 2 deputy governors. And as you know, during the national negotiations which happened in 2007-8, again, we established that office. And as you also know, during the BPI process, mark you, the BPI was only challenged on procedure.
Huyo kwa KAVINDA ne kala enenzio pamwe na ndongo ikisioni cha Mwingi methitwa makule Musumbi William Ruto vikiena kuyanise watho wake wakutilani kaunti hii ya KITUI na kenda vedho na kaunti ile ya KITUI na kaunti Nzau ya Mwingi.
Na sisi kama viongozi wa eneo hili la KITUI tunaambia Rais William Ruto, kama unataka kusikizwa na watu wa Ukambani, ni lazima uhakikishe kwamba ahadi yako ya kupatiana Mwingi County uhakikishe hiyo ahadi umeitimiza.
Committee ila ya dialogue nito umukulia kwa ndaya kaunti ya Mwingi mutunenge maundu alangi ma Kenya kaunti ya Mwingi mutunenge.
KITUMI ni kwithia KITUI nene pio. KITUI ni nene kote central province.
Kuripocha vlingo mauvo ni Lina Musangi.